I'm at Banpu Resort in Trat. Let me show you. Thank you.
I don't know what I'd take for paying enough to get here.
Pay 500 to get here each.
Mangrove walkway, look at this. Bit dark now. Not the music. Oh, look at this. Here's a map. A big place. Let's get some lights on in here so I can show you the place. Look at this. Big massive bed. A little fridge and whatnot. And there's safes in here. There we go. Safes behind the jail. Got some a hairdryer, tissues, into the bathroom. Just call it a shower room, there's always no bath. It's just a normal shower, no rain shower, I'm afraid. Never mind, what do you want to do? Toilet, no flushing toilet roll down the toilet, and there's a bum gun. Oh, bum gun test, I forgot I've got to do these bum gun tests. Are you ready? So the bed test, bum gun test, that's what you need. Yeah, it's passable. Yeah, I'll do. Some soap, earbuds, shower cap, 2 shower caps. So that's it. Apart from the rest of the place, I don't know if I'm going to have time to show you. But I'm going to show you a bed test. A one, 2, 3, 4. That was a rubbish jump, absolute rubbish jump. The result of the bed test is firm but fair. Let's get this fan on. I like fans. I mean, I had a lot of fans in, where was it? San Jose in the Philippines. Fans all over the place, what it photos me and everything. I mean, I'm a global traveller, you know. Aren't I, George? If you ever watch this, which you probably won't. Anyway, there's the old car. On 29 degrees. I think I might have to switch that down. Where's the remote? 29, that's more like a flipping heater. There we go, 21. And this place is very cheap. I shall try and find out how much it was. Oh, there's welcome. Hello, welcome. So where are we? Here we are. Just near Cambodia. Not far at all. There's Bangkok up. Not sure where. Where's Bangkok there? Lakeside Suite. Those are different places. Well, there's a big place this. I can hear music. Is this a spa? Yeah. I hear someone singing in the distance. All them people and flipping tourists. The cafe, this way. Farm and cafe. I'd get a little snack to eat. You can't really see me, can you? Yeah, that's better. Right, let's go to the cafe. I don't know if it's shut now. I think it is. Looks like we can't get anything to eat. I don't know what's around here. I don't want to go outside. So you get a welcome drink, and I think it's in this cafe. And it shuts at 8. Here we are. Oh, they've got food here. Order at cafe. Order this way. Where? There? Over here. Hello. Swaddy Cup. Right, what are we getting?
You can order here and then choose your seat.
Okay, we've got some.
Is it welcome drink?
Yes. We'll get sort of got cakes. Oh, getting cakes. Look. I don't want cake though. I'm not even hungry, but I'll be hungry later. More cocktails there, not bad prices. So, let's get some food. Ice cream cake. Where's the food? Food this way. Stir fried chicken. Oh, it is similar.
It's quite sweet.
Yeah.
Not sour, but this one is quite good.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm going to get that one there. Stir fried chicken with cashew nuts. Okay, thank you.
With yogurt or without yogurt?
Right, so I got my welcome drink.
ได้ค่ะ
What's it?
ตรงไปได้นะ
What is this?
It's a fang cork. It is a traditional leaf, tree. But
Okay.
the core is red when you boil it, and with a plankton.
All right, it's good.
It's
Refreshing.
good for your bloodstream and heart.
Well, that's good. That's what we need.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, here's the ice cream cake. Let's see what this noise is. Oh, I can't see him. I think there's birds trapped in a cage. Can't really see. Yeah, it's too dark to pick anything up. What have we got here? Thank you. There we go. This looks good. Oh, wonderful. One of them green things. Mini grapes. Don't know what half the stuff is, but it's nice. I don't even know what these are. They're just things you pick up around the gardens. Here comes our smoothies.
Mango.
Thank you, that looks amazing.
Thank you.
Right, cheers. I wonder if it's that I tasted. Oh my God. So these things, tell me what they are if you know, if anyone's watching this. They're hot. Right, I'm on the hunt for the swimming pool in the dark. Down here on the right hand side. Oh my God, I thought that was flipping real. I can think it's real, is it? Anyway. Oh, I can see swimming pool. Here we are. So that, lovely. Let's test it. Test the water. Oh, that's warm. That's nice. It's like a jacuzzi bit over there, I'm not sure. Oh, look at this, look. Those are places to sit during the day. So this is where you get your breakfast. We're a bit early for breakfast, or late, whichever way you want to put it. I'm still walking around at night time. That's what you call it. Banpu, a resort, a Trat. And we're back. So that's that then for now. Right, as you see, it's daytime now. And here is the view during the day. We thought we missed it because it said 9:30 over there. Thank you. Right, first of all, 8 cups of coffee. That's my breakfast view. Let's see what we got here. It's like orange or it's like carrot, I'm not sure. No labels. Chicken ham. Sausages. I think meant to be eggs. Oh. Stir fried fish. Oh, I can just smell of that. Oh my goodness. I don't want melon bread. Stuffed bits of melon. It's soup, I'm not sure. Rice. Some pieces. Baked rice. And condiments. Rice soup with fish. Ah dear. Well, I won't be having any more. Well, this isn't a very good breakfast. have to have toast.
Right, this is all I've got. Oh well.
What down here is more shaded. Just down there and along there. Looks better in the dark, this place. It looks cleaner in the dark. Let's have a look, see when this needs doing. 22nd, 1968 it was done last. That might be wrong. They have their own years in Thailand. So the farm, coffee farm's this way, but we're going to nip through the swimming pool area to have a look at that during the daytime, which I actually feel like jumping in, and then I'll have wet clothes to take to the next place, so I'll just wait, go a big beach to the next place. And so this at night time, where this is it during the day. And eat in any of these places. Must be a pain for the person over there if you go and eat over there. Deliver the food. There's a big net. There you go. Oh look, there's how many steps is it to heaven? I forget, but there's so many steps to heaven. Let's go up there. Hopefully I don't fall and go to heaven. Oh hell. Trampoline as well. It's too hot. Right, so let's see where these steps end. Imagine this back home. I don't really like this. Hey, is this safe? Is this safe?
Oh my god, that was scary. Look, look what's at the end of it. Nothing. This is horrible. I can't do this. I'm coming back down. I've got all dizzy. I'm crawling back down, look. This is horrible. I wish I never did this now. Let's get back down quick.
That was horrible.
That was one of the worst things I've done, I didn't realise. Hang on, I've got to recover. Oh my god. I suddenly become all, I've realised I'm scared of heights and all that. It was just hanging over. Could have collapsed. Do you not sit on that? This is dangerous, this place. Hey, Nick. I have to go on the trampoline now. I have to go in vertigo. There's not far to go. I have to get in vertigo.
What? What's we go on that now? I'm not going on it.
I've done enough flipping daredevil things. There's a daredevil thing coming over here. I've got to walk over a bridge that doesn't exist. Have a look at this.
It's got pictures of crabs and everything. Does it mean if you're falling in, the crabs will get you? I tried to take my shoes off, but it was too hot. So I had to wear flip-flops and more chance of falling. Look at this. I don't know, I'm not passing health and safety in UK, Europe, this place, but I think it's struggled to pass health and safety in Thailand. And there isn't any. Oh yeah, water.
I'll cool myself down after that. Well, I walked up a couple of silly fake steps or whatever. Oh, I don't know what they were. I'm not doing that again.
Oh look at these mangoes, whatever they are, in plastic. This is what you call recycling. Plastic bags and plastic cups. So this hotel is 3-star. You can see why it's 3-star, but sometimes you think it's 5-star. The amount of places you can sit in, facilities and all that, then you realise when you look at breakfast and the colour of the water and stuff that it's 3-star.
Right, so that's it. 3-star hotel. I would give it out of 5 stars. 3 stars myself. Bye bye.